Hello, my name is Gabriel and I'm here to enlighten you with information I believe everybody should know. And today I want to talk to you guys about the 100th monkey experiment. The 100th monkey effect is a hypothetical phenomenon in which a new behavior or idea is spread rapidly by unexplained from one group to other related groups. Once a critical number of members of one group exhibits the new behavior or even acknowledges the new idea. This experiment and simply this understanding of this phenomenon became very well known and sparked a lot of interest in a lot of scientists from an experiment done around the 1950s. And this experiment took about 10 to 20 years to conduct. But around the 1950s to 1952, primatologists conducted a behavioral study of a troop of Macaca fuscata, which is a Japanese monkey, on the island of Kojima, which is an island at the bottom of Japan, where these monkeys are located and separated from mainland relations. Because these monkeys are very common around that area, from the mainland to even parts of India. But this specific island separated outside construction and collusion of this actual experiment. So it was a pretty good spot to pick. But the researchers that conducted this experiment were supplied with food of sweet potatoes and wheat. And what they would do is supply these monkeys with these foods in open areas, more preferably on the beaches. And what the researchers were seeing on the first couple years to months is that these monkeys would get the food that has been drenched in sand, and they would eat the food with no real comprehension of the sand they were eating, which preferably these monkeys did not like the sand on their food. So in this group that they conducted this experiment on, a couple monkeys found the idea of washing their food off in nearby rivers and creeks. And a small group that started figuring out that they could wash the sand off of the food they're eating and have more of an enjoyable meal. That idea that they came up with slowly started to grab traction on other areas of the tribe. And actually in the experiment, the ones that came up with the idea of washing the food were the younger part of the tribe. And once this younger part of the tribe hit a specific number of critical mass within the tribe, that idea became a norm. Every single monkey that was involved in that tribe automatically did it. So this is an example of adaptation. And the scientists or the primatologists got a lot of information from this experiment. So what this group of scientists did was went to other tribes during and afterwards of the experiment to see if they can conduct some sort of a resemblance. And the weird thing that they found is that all the tribes in the neighboring islands, even in the mainland, somehow already knew about the washing of the food before they eat it. It just became a norm in a weirdly subconsciously connected way. And the scientists really had no explanation on how many tribes, especially around the same time, just somehow had that idea. So that experiment sparked a lot of interest in future scientists. And many scientists have done this experiment on people. And there's been many experiments where this same solution has been replicated the same exact way. And I'll throw a couple links in the description for you to check out these videos. But the meaning of this video is simply that experiment kind of goes the same way as how normal becomes unnormal and that unnormal becomes normal in many aspects of humanity, such as math, computer knowledge. It all just increasingly, collectively, comprehensively becomes normal in many aspects of our lives. But that is just something to think about. But the meaning of this video is simply somehow people, things are just connected somehow. And it's going to take time, but eventually science will somehow prove this, which they already probably have, it will become a normal state of common thinking. Exactly how this experiment ended. Same conclusion. But that's all I really wanted to say today. I hope you found this video somewhat interesting. And if you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more videos on enlightenment. And thank you for the support. But that's all I really wanted to say today. Thank you for watching and much love.